How to find Kling AI working promo codes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find working Kling AI promo code. If you're looking for discounts on Kling AI's awesome AI tools or subscription, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through where to find the latest promo codes, so let's get into it. First, let's start with the most reliable stores, the official Kling AI website. Companies often offer discount and promo codes directly on their homepage, especially during special events, season sales, or even new launches. Just open your browser. They sometimes feature promo codes in banner or pop-up notification. Just tap on claim and you can claim promo codes like that. You can also look for any announcement or banners that mention discounts, special offers or codes. This is where they typically put up new deals. If you can't find any promo codes on Kling AI's official site, you can head over to dedicated promo code website. For example, Retail Me Not. Another website might be coupons.com. They often have up-to-date promo codes for various brands. You can simply search for Kling AI promo codes on these sites. Lastly, you can go through social media platforms and online communities. You can also join Facebook groups or forums. You can also keep an eye out for seasonal events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or year-end deals. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find and apply Kling AI promo codes.